welcome back to my channel. So I'm Sanskriti and I hope guys you all are doing really great as always. So guys, this is a recommendation which I don't think I have created before. So the recommendations for earrings, and of course who does not love earrings? Either all of our girls, we like a particular kind of accessory, and some like the pendant, some like anklet, some like bracelet, some like earrings. But yes, earrings are a must for everyone, and we all have a our kind of liking. Like I mostly like, if I'm wearing artificial jewelry, I like loop earrings, means the circle ones, either the small or big. I like the loops. I don't like very danglers type. Because I hate hitting it at my shoulder. So I like mostly the loop ones. So but yeah, there are many new designs right now which are available in the market, even in the artificial jewelry or in the real jewelry. So guys, earrings, whatever may be the occasion, you like to wear something bling bling sometimes, and some like a very sober kind of earring. So please check out this video ahead. Thank you. We are at soumyastores.com, and here we are for earrings recommendation, that is jewelry under jewelry recommendations, and here it is, right? So let's tap on this. Okay, as you can see, there are only 52 products listed right now, but I'll be adding some more to it, some very latest and trendy recommendations. So let's tap on new to old and sort it out. So as you can see, there's sale going on. This recommendation is a mix of artificial or real jewelry, so you can check it out. So let's check any one product. Let's check this one out. All right, so you can check out the pictures, and let's tap on view on Amazon button. Okay, so as you can see, the price may change. There are some products जिनके prices regular basis पे change होते हैं, उनके deals change हो जाते हैं, as Amazon पे बहुत सारे different deals चलते रहते हैं. So that can happen, but you can definitely check out the offers that are going on. So yeah, sometimes the prices are exactly the same, so that can happen. Okay, so let's tap on any other product. Let's tap on this, and okay, let's check out the images. You can check out the images and the size of the earring, and right. So as you can see, the price is the same as it is listed here, so it is updated. So as I said in previously also, that this can happen. And yes, as you can see, I have added some delivery address, and it cannot be shipped there. So there are some products on Amazon as well that cannot be available for some pin codes. So if you are going to purchase anything, please check out just put your address or the pin code of your address and check that is delivery there or not. Okay, because it can lead to your confusion and your and make you feel inconvenient, so that can happen, right? So as you can see, there are so many options from very different brands, and now with varied range. This one is a really beautiful earring, so let's check it out. So as you can see, there's a bit change in the price, but yeah, that can happen. So as I told, that the product price may change with the offers. So as you know that there are some deals and offers, and there's a sale going on Amazon, so you can check many different products and within your range, and if you have a particular liking for a particular brand, then yes, you can definitely filter it out and get the details of, and check out the new launches and everything. But yeah, you will get some good recommendations over here. So these are some of the products which I have listed. It's not all, but yeah, they are which I felt that they're good looking or something, that I have shared with in this recommendation. So these are some of the products. If you like this recommendation, you will get the link below in the description of this video, and you can if you will tap on that link, you will be redirected to this page. And if you tap on any view on Amazon button, you will be redirected to the Amazon page of that product, and check out the details and make a purchase over there. right? These are just the recommendations which I have created. So I hope guys you will like this recommendation, and apart from this there are many other recommendations which are available on Somya stores. We just recommend the products on Amazon. So yeah, you can definitely check out the products. I try to find products which are unique. Also sometimes there are some brands which are very reasonable but not in the limelight, but yeah, we try to search out and make a video over it. So guys, I hope you like this recommendation. There are some more recommendations on the same genre, so I hope you like this video, and if thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I hope आपने छोटी सी वीडियो क्लिप देखी होगी जिसमें आपने डिफरेंट इयरिंग्स देखे होंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू योर टेस्ट एंड लाइकिंग. आपको डेफिनेटली कोई ना कोई इयरिंग्स तो पसंद ही आया होगा, बिकॉज ये चीज़ ही ऐसी है दैट वी लाइक, ओ दिस विल लुक गुड विद माई दैट ड्रेस और समथिंग लाइक दैट, राइट? सो गाइज ऑफ कोर्स आपको वाइड रेंज देखने को मिला होगा. इट इज़ अ मिक्स ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल ज्वेलरी एंड द रियल ज्वेलरी. दिस इज़ अ रिकमेंडेशन फॉर बोथ काइंड ऑफ ज्वेलरीज and earrings especially. So I hope you really like the recommendation. If you like this recommendation, please check out the details of this recommendation below in the description, and you will also get the links for this recommendation. And please follow Soumya Sanskriti on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and even Soumya Stores on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, छोटे से बेल आइकन को टैप करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा, जिससे कि आपको आगे की वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए. So guys, as I always say, sharing is caring, so please share it with your friends and family. So guys, तब तक के लिए toodles.